Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of RM Bus. I'm your host, Cass. As always, we got Callum with me. Welcome to the show, Callum.
Thank you for having
So,
me. Yes.
guys, this is a midweek episode. Obviously, the market has been changing, obviously, all the time, but not no major changes. Bitcoin is flowing solid around 60s, but let's go to Callum and find out what's happening in the crypto world, also with the Bitcoin dominance and what's happening with the REM project. Callum, over to you.
Thank you very much, Kaz. And as Kaz mentioned, that's a little summary for you there. But you know what? Rather than waiting, let's go to the charts, guys, because that's where all the magic happens, and I can show you a lot of things. So let's go to the charts quickly. And now you can see this chart. So this is the market. Actually, I just want to show you the crypto market first. You can see Bitcoin is hovering around, say, 64, 60,000, 67, 65,000 to over to say 70,000 mark, which is okay. It's consolidating there. Ethereum's doing the same, so we can see these things. So I'll show you a lot of things behind the scenes, guys. It's always an opportunity there. Make sure you look into this and either DCA buy or hold your assets. That's what I say. Do not please sell them at the moment. Depending on what you want to do in your strategy, if you have bought Bitcoin, say 40,000, 30,000, and you think you may lose and you want to recover, that's a different story for you. But my advice for you, and this is just an advice, it's not a financial advice, it is just an advice from another dude, right? So here we go. So what do we do? Let's go to the BTC charts, guys, so I can show you something very important. You can see the BTC charts here. The BTC charts, guys, you can see the BTC has gone from 70,000 all the way to this. This is the 1 hour chart. But looking at the RSI, guys, the RSI indicators shows that this for 1 hour chart, here we have like it's gone up. So you know what? You can see these green candles. That's why we can see that with this doji here. So it goes up, right? So that's the reason why. Next one is if we go back to say 1 day chart, each bar, each candle equals 1 day. You can see the RSI is right down the bottom around say 30 to 20 mark. So this was a perfect indicator here. So if you look at these things and if you listen to our charts, this is very good to buy over here. 60,000, that's a good indicator. How did you find that indicator? Because the RSI was low. Nothing else. Nothing else. You know when the RSI comes this low, see all these lows you can see up here and then up down here, right? And look at this up. It's a selling point. See, RSI is a very good indicator. And you look at the volume here. The volume speaks itself as well. These red and green volumes, right? It just talks about this, right? So guys, looking at that, I just want you to see this part, right? So this is the daily chart. And you can see while looking at the daily charts, it's going down. And this red candle over here should have been your great indicator for you to purchase. And this is like small amounts, not whole amount. Here we go. So if it goes down more, you're not upset. For example, if it goes down here, you purchase around here. If it goes down here, you purchase around here. But 60,000 is a very good point to purchase on, right? So given that information, I just want to take you to the BTC chart for our bigger picture. Now, guys, as you know, I always draw this thing here. I want you to see when I actually link these peaks here, we can see this was the peak of the either this bull run or the first cycle peaks. If it's a like a dual peak change, then we're looking around say this peak and this peak. This is the first one. So this can be either the first of a dual peak season, or this can be going down like here in 2018. So either way it can go. Either way, you should be ready. If it goes up, you don't need to wait. Oh, it's gonna go and touch here. No. You're gonna basically say if it comes up even up here, say, for example, in this cycle, if it goes from down the bottom to say 30,000 to 28,000, all the way, say 45, 60, even say 50,000, you should be telling yourself, I am going to cash out. That's what you need to do, because you may see a altcoin season coming up. Then look at this. If it even goes back all the way to 100 and passing 100, regardless, all coins would pump, and this can be your chance and opportunity. The other thing I want to show you with this, and main thing I want to show you this is, look at this. If I were to draw and say we go on like this, and then we go down, say by either around here or here, we're looking around, say June, August sort of a thing, say June, July, August, September, end of this year. We may looking into like 40,000 mark. So coming from here to 40,000, which is what? Around here, even here, 40,000 gap is approximately around, we're looking around a 35% drop, right? It is equal to, if you could get that again, say for example, if we take from the bottom part of here, say like here, we need to calculate here. What is that? That is also 48%, you see? So I would say this, if we have started in 30,000 and drop all the way to 16,000, this is a good time to do the dollar cost averaging buying. And I say 60,000 now because you don't expect it to buy bottom. You don't know the bottom. It can be out here. This is a guess. Guys, if it go to 40,000 next time, this is a very good time for you to actually buy some Bitcoin and dollar cost average as you go on. And even if it goes up all the way down and it's going up to the the bull market, you can still go into this area. This area over here, from here to here, is your mark of dollar cost average. You see that? So either it goes up, you got an opportunity to sell. If it goes down, you got an opportunity to buy. And this is the spectrum you should be focusing on. Nothing else, right? Nothing else. It goes down, you buy. If it passes the 100,000 mark over here, you sell. Between this area, so let's do that. Guys, this area, where's 100,000? Here, right? Here to here, forget it. You're not selling. You're not selling, you're holding. You're not selling anything at all. You just hold. If you want to buy, you buy here. If it goes up, that means you hold a little bit because you want some confirmation. You need some confirmation passing that barrier of 100,000 mindset, and it goes up. That's why you want to hold to see if this is an actual bull run or not. Because this indicator going up from here will give you a solid understanding that this barrier has gone up, this 100,000 mindset gone up, and it's going up. So then you can sell your assets from here onwards, right? So to do that again, to give you a better understanding, here you buy, here you hold, and up here you sell, right? So this is what I can tell you at this stage. This is important, guys, right? Then if we go back to REM charts, look guys, REM charts, I just want you to understand the 1 hour chart. This is a good time to purchase. Why? You see what happened in 1 hour. It has gone up and down. Whenever it goes down, you can stack up some REM because it's a microcap project and we're here, obviously, right? You can see. So how many people, how many projects talk about their projects, go to live AMAs, educate you. So this is a great opportunity. Do your due diligence. Find out exactly what this is. Not a financial advice. Find out about our project and how we do. Look at this. This is in the 4 hour chart. Again, a very good, comfortable zone. Look at the RSIs, guys. RSI indicates buy, please, right? Even if we go, let's go to the daily charts, guys. You go to the daily charts, each RSI is around 20 to 30. Again, good momentum, good movement to purchase here. See, RSI has gone down here. It indicates purchase now, sort of an idea. So volume speaks itself. Volume's going really good up here. So, this is what we're looking at. Volume's there. You need to purchase. That's what you can do over here. I want to take you to the next one, which is the fear and greed index. Another one. So fear and greed index, guys, gone a little bit up. Some confidence. You can see some confidence here from basically last month, which was neutral, to extreme fear last week, and moving a little bit up from 9 to say 13, which is brilliant, right? So there people are easing out a little bit. That's good. I'll tell you why. Next one actually shows why. Because altcoin season. Look at this. Altcoin season indicator shows us last month it was 27. Last week it has gone up to 28. Yesterday it was 24. Now it's 27. What is it? We want this altcoin season indicator to go all the way here. Right? Here. Right? So very early altcoin season high is around say 78 here it's indicated. The low one is 12. So what you're talking here, we're saying if it can go up here around here, that's the best indicator. So even the 30 days, guys, you can see in the charts. Look at these charts, guys. Wait for loading. But the important thing is, guys, you can see it's getting close this way. It's dragging itself to this way, which is good, right? And that's what we want. Yeah, so you can see it's picking up a little bit from here. So from here, altcoin season, it has gone down. We want it to come up here, right? So we know it's going up, right? Okay, so that's that. Then the next one is Bitcoin dominance. What is it? Bitcoin dominance is Bitcoin compared to other altcoins, inclusively Ethereum. Is it up or down? When Bitcoin dominance goes down in the total market, what usually happens is all coins, these two together, should go up in percentage. Now, look at this, what happened in 2016. So 2016, 2017, Bitcoin dominance was, and this is not Bitcoin price, guys, this is dominance, right? Compared to the whole market. Bitcoin dominance was like up here in 2017, June was like 85%. It dropped down all the way in 2017, June, after 1 year. It dropped down to 40%. Look what happened with Ethereum. Ethereum pushed itself with altcoins to a next level of 40%. So 40% sort of a thing, right? And then look what happened. Bitcoin was stabilized, going up a little bit, not like this, little bit. And then Ethereum fell while all coins went up. You see that? All coins, this gray line went up. Now, this is exactly what we can see out here in 2022. And this is exactly what we want to see. See there what happened with here? How all coins went up when Bitcoin went down. So we want that to happen here, which never happened in this cycle. All right. But if we see that happening, and you can see the small movement happening here, and if it drags up here, Ethereum drags up here, that will be a solid movement, guys, which is brilliant. And that's what we want as an altcoin season, right? So what I want you to know is basically altcoin season indicators shows that it's moving that towards that. But what are we doing? We are taking a step, looking at the whole picture, and we are understanding where do we place ourselves. Are we buying? Are we holding? Or are we selling? If you go back to our videos, you know I mentioned in 120, please sell some of your money and put it to solid investments like property, which we will help you, right? Now, since because we are an RWA project, right? A real world asset project. Now, since you have been there and you have checked this out, if you have done, congratulations. If you haven't, don't worry. There's always next box in. One of my gurus used to tell me next bus is in 5 minutes. So that's what it is. I want you to understand that, okay, what is gone is gone. Don't worry, move forward and educate yourself and listen to our podcast. And this is a free service which we provide to you because we want our community to be knowledgeable for us to invest in anything that they want to invest. So what I want you to understand here is very clear is that we will, at the moment, we say DCA buy, and if it goes down, we keep on buying, right? Bitcoin or some more coin, like, if it's valuable, it adds value. Yes, why not REA? Why not Ethereum? Why not something? But if it goes up, we hold until it goes to that mental barrier, breaking the 100,000. Then we call it a sell. Slowly sell, guys. Let's slowly sell, and that will be a great opportunity if it goes to a market top and we have something to move with, and that would be amazing, right? So that's what we want. Now, going back to our REM podcast here, guys, we will keep you posted. So make sure you like, subscribe, and press that notification button, and you get that information as well. Cass.
Thank you, Callum. So there you go, Gus. They still got hope in the altcoin season, and Callum proved that. I mean, obviously, do your due diligence, but there's always hope. And Callum show us very important messages, very important information for you from the graphs, and graphs speak to itself, right? Do the maths and all that. So, guys, thank you very much for joining us. Follow, subscribe, and stay tuned with us. We got more information to come for you. There's another AMA coming up, so all the information in our socials. Again, follow us, subscribe us, and you will be up to date with all the information. Guys, thank you again, and have a great day. And we see you guys very soon. See you later.